Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particularly if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. It'll take you directly to the product page, or you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is absolutely perfect for tattoo artists or anybody that's going to conventions and traveling and needs to print out a lot of documents. And that is because it's a nice thermal printer or tattoo stencil printer. So this was sent over by a company called Phomemo. It's gonna come in this little box right here. Naturally, you're gonna get a quick start guide. This is the M08F Plus version. The app works absolutely great. So next thing you're gonna get is you're gonna get this nice little velvet bag here. This is what you're gonna store everything in when you're not utilizing it, keep all the dust out and all that fun stuff. Then you're gonna get a USB to USB-C cable here. This is how you're gonna charge up the built-in battery in this device. It's gonna last a long time. So you're gonna get about 140 pages out of it, or about 40 hours out of it. Now that's gonna depend on if it's just sitting a lot in standby or versus continuous printing, but either way, it's gonna last all day, which is a nice feature. Then you're gonna get a little USB to USB-C little conversion cable here. If you're like plugging it into a tablet or a laptop or something like that, you can utilize this as well. Now, how do I use this? I just use their app. It is the Phomemo app. You can get in any of the little stores and put that on your phone or your tablet. Connects Bluetooth, very easy to connect. Inside the app, you're gonna notice it's gonna have all the various different free templates if you want. You can upload your own imagery, your own sketches, or you can go ahead and sign up for their Plus services and get more templates, more stuff that you choose to want if that's the direction you would like to go. Now, in addition to the printer, it is gonna get you started with 10 transfer pages set up here. These are basically like carbon copy pages. You're gonna go ahead and remove the white sheet and the other sheets, and then it's gonna go ahead and print the image onto the paper, and then you'll be able to put it on your body part, wherever you're wanting to do it, and transfer it to see what that image looks like. So it's absolutely great, like I said, for if you're a tattoo artist, because then you can trace it, or if you're a customer, maybe you're thinking about getting a tattoo, you can print that image and then see if it's in an area that you like. However, it's not exclusive to just tattoos, because this is a standard thermal printer, so you can just get thermal paper and utilize the thermal functions in here as well, which is absolutely great. Now, why it is the Plus is you're gonna notice it's gonna have this really nice touchscreen right here on the right-hand side. This is gonna allow you to easily go through the settings. You can calibrate it. You can check out the user guides, all that fun stuff, change the brightness, sends all the little feedback right here through the screen, so it makes it easy to see. The power button's on the other side, and then you're gonna notice the USB-C port is on the back, and then there's two little push buttons on the front. That's gonna allow you to open up the door here, and then you can see the actual thermal band right there that's going ahead and heating up the paper itself. Now, as far as jamming or anything like that, I've had no issues jamming, no issues with wrinkling of the paper, especially when it comes to the tattoo paper. It goes through nice and smooth, nice and fluid, which is exactly what you are wanting, because it's very easy to, set up, like I said, with the app, and you want it to be nice and fluid when you're at the end of the day. Now, as far as the size of the device, it's about 12 inches long, it's about 2.5 inches wide, and about 1.25 inches kind of thick, or in height, if you will. But overall, like I said, very, very easy to use. You can go ahead and take your photos, turn them into sketches, and then print them out either as thermal paper or get a tattoo of them on yourself. So pretty cool. If you're in the market and you're looking for a great thermal tattoo printer, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.